Imagine this. You're lounging on a beach, sipping your favorite drink, and while you're soaking up the sun, your bank account is quietly growing. Sounds like a dream, right? But hey, let's hit pause on the tropical fantasies, because here's the real question. What if your favorite hobby could actually make you money while you sleep? Most people spend their lives working for money. But what if your passion, yes, that thing you absolutely love, could be your ticket to financial freedom? And not just freedom, but a life where your work doesn't feel like work at all. But here's the catch. Every day you're not acting on it is a missed opportunity. The clock is ticking, and someone out there is already making a fortune, doing what you love. Seriously, why should they have all the fun? That's just rude. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to identify your passion and start turning it into a passive income stream. No fluff, no guesswork, just clear steps to transform your life. Stick with me, because up next, we'll uncover the first step, how to discover your passion. And trust me, it's simpler than you think. Ready? Let's make your dream lifestyle a reality. Identify your passion. What if the key to building wealth wasn't a job you dread, but something you love doing so much? You'd do it for free. Okay, maybe not entirely free. Let's be smart here. We're talking about making money, not starting a charity for your hobbies. Here's the truth. Your passion isn't just a feel-good idea, it's your untapped goldmine. Think about the activities that make you lose track of time, the ones you'd happily do on a lazy Sunday, or even after a long day at work. But here's the catch. Not every passion can stand the test of time. That's why it's crucial to choose something sustainable, something you won't burn out on after a few months. Let's face it, binge-watching Netflix probably doesn't count. But hey, if you can turn it into reviewing shows and monetizing content, who's stopping you? The goal is simple. Find what lights you up and aligns with a lifestyle you want to build. Because passion isn't just about joy, it's about creating a future that feels as good as it looks. So, what's next? Once you've pinpointed your passion, it's time to understand its market potential. Stick around, and I'll show you how to turn that spark into something that sells. Ready? Let's dig deeper and see where your passion can take you. Understand your market. So, you've identified your passion? Great. But here's the million-dollar question. Does anyone actually care about it, or is it just you and your dog? The key to turning your passion into profit lies in understanding its demand. It's not enough to love what you do. You need to know if others are willing to pay for it. Start by diving into your market. Who needs what you have to offer? Is there a niche audience hungry for your expertise, your products, or your unique spin on things? Because here's the scary part. If you don't know your audience, you're not just leaving money on the table. You're practically giving it away to your competitors. And let's be honest, your competition probably isn't that much smarter than you. So why let them win? The secret is to research and refine. Dig into online forums, social media groups, or even Google Trends to find out what your audience needs and position yourself as the solution they've been searching for. Now that you've found your audience, it's time to monetize that passion. Stick around, because up next, I'll show you the most effective ways to turn your skills into a steady income stream. Let's get started on making your passion pay. Monetization methods. So, you've got your passion, and you know your audience. Now comes the big question. How do you actually make money from it? Let me show you 5 proven ways to turn your passion into profit, because sitting on your talent won't make you a dime. First up, create digital products. Think ebooks, courses, or templates. These are low cost to produce but can sell endlessly. Because let's face it, if someone can sell a PDF of smoothie recipes for $30, why can't you? Next, start a blog or YouTube channel. Share your passion, grow an audience, and monetize with ads or sponsorships. Prefer something hands-on? Sell physical products. Anything from handmade crafts to branded merch tied to your passion. If you've got skills, offer services like coaching, consulting, or freelancing. And don't sleep on affiliate marketing. Promote products you believe in and earn commissions with every sale. Yes, even recommending a vacuum cleaner can make you money if you know your audience. The bottom line, there's no single path to wealth, just endless ways to make your passion work for you. The trick is to choose what aligns with your skills and start now. Up next, we'll talk about the ultimate game changer, automating and scaling your income streams. Don't miss it. This is where your wealth building journey truly takes off. Let's make it happen. Automate and scale. You've turned your passion into income, but let's be real. Working 24/7 isn't the dream. The dream is earning while you sleep, right? Because if you're still hustling at midnight, you're not scaling, you're just tired. This is where automation becomes your best friend. Use tools like scheduling software to handle content posts, online stores for hands-off selling, and automation tools to streamline repetitive tasks. Think smarter, not harder. But here's the game changer. Focus on passive income streams. create online courses, launch print-on-demand products, or reinvest profits into scalable projects. These aren't just strategies. They're your ticket to exponential growth. Because let's be honest, no one's goal is to grind forever, unless you're a coffee bean. Automation and scaling let you multiply your impact without multiplying your effort. It's how you go from working for money to having money work for you. Overcome challenges. Let's face it, turning your passion into income sounds amazing, but the reality, fear of failure, imposter syndrome, and a lack of time can hold you back. Sound familiar? Or maybe you've said, I'll start after one more episode of my favorite show. Here's the truth. Fear and self-doubt are normal, but they're not your stopping point. They're your starting point. To stay motivated, break your goals into small, manageable steps. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. And about time, you don't find it, you make it. Set boundaries, prioritize, and dedicate even 30 minutes a day to your dream. Progress beats perfection every time. Because let's be real, what's scarier? Failing a few times or waking up in 10 years wishing you'd started today? In the next segment, we'll break it all down into actionable steps so you can start your journey right now. Click ahead, your future self is waiting. Let's make it happen. Actionable steps for viewers. So you're inspired, but now what? Let's make this real with a simple, no excuses 30-day plan to monetize your passion. And no, this isn't one of those plans where step 1 is to manifest it into existence. Here's how it works. Day 1 to 7, focus on research, know your audience, your market, and your competition. Days 8 to 20, start creating. Whether it's a product, service, or content, take action every single day. And from day 21 to 30, launch and refine, test, get feedback, and keep improving. This isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. Small steps, taken daily, lead to big results. Imagine looking back a month from now and realizing you've created momentum. Isn't that worth it? If you're ready to tackle your financial fears and take control of your money, my next video has everything you need. Click the link on your screen now, and let's keep building your wealthy lifestyle. Your journey starts today. Make it count.